Mumbai, the city of dreams, is now being called the city of dug-up roads. Residents are complaining that almost every corner of the city has a barricade, a diversion, or a completely dug-up stretch where a road once stood. But why is this happening? It all started in January 2023 when the BMC decided to undertake a massive 12,000 crore road concretization project on the directions of the then Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. The goal? To make Mumbai pothole-free. But 2 years in, taxpayers are dealing with dust, traffic, gridlock, and ironically, even freshly laid roads being ripped apart again.
Okay, this work has started somewhere towards October 24. In spite of many follow-ups, having meetings with the BMC team as well as the contractor, they promise you a lot of things, but eventually they do not deliver. See, you have a time frame, not 6 months to make a road, Okay, not 6 months to make a road.
Currently, over 700 kilometers of Mumbai roads are being concretized phase-wise. BMC says that due to the sheer scale, it appears that roads everywhere are under construction.
Mumbai roads face serious issue of potholes. And while it is said that this pothole issue is related to quality of road or the quality with which roads are getting built, asphalt road I'm saying. It's not just that. Of course, that may be one of the factors, but moreover, Mumbai terrain is definitely challenging. Flooding happens at multiple places. Official number is more than 350 locations. Every year, 15 to 20% new flooding spots are getting created. Rainfall pattern is getting erratic. Wherever there is flooding on asphalt road, potholes are bound to come. If water is stagnated for more than 1 hour, there was a thought process that once and for all, we should, deal with this issue. Because CC road, world over we can observe. World over there are both examples. You can find cities where there are asphalt road, but there are many cities world over, 100% roads are concretized. And because of concrete road, we can ensure that quality of that particular road is good. Because once road is concretized, of course, good quality, problem of pothole doesn't arise on concrete road. And that was the background why this program was up.
There was no need to create a new stormwater drain. Okay? Our stormwater drain was doing fine. Not one katori of water would remain on the road when it was raining heavily.
It was needed to be taken up for concretization because this road has a lot of heavy traffic. We have a bus going through this, so it has a lot of traffic. It was required, and we also have the September fair that happens here. So a lot of footfalls happen here, but that does not mean that the senior citizens have to be inconvenienced.
Only thing, it should have been fast, They can work day, night. Now work is being done and it is stopped for another 10 days, 15 days. No one is coming, nothing is happening.
I think the problem is that the BMC has gone about this in a very unplanned manner. Only in Bandra there are around 30-35 roads which are being improved simultaneously. So there was no need to make drains again. That is a time-consuming job. Two is, I've always been saying that the kind of ducts that the BMC are making are going to be redundant sooner than later. None of the main service providers, be it gas, be it power, be it water, will go in these ducts. Not even the 4G or the 3G or the internet cables will go in that duct.
तो मैं ये बोलती हूँ कि मिस्टेक एक जन से नहीं हुई है, मिस्टेक सबसे हुई है, क्योंकि इतने सारे रोड का काम एक साथ में ले लिया जहाँ पे लेबर भी सफिशिएंट नहीं है, हमारे ऑफिसर भी कम है.
At the recently concluded Maharashtra State Assembly session, the government announced that it would probe into the allegations of irregularities and substandard work. BMC, however, insists they have a zero-tolerance policy for poor quality roads. For now, residents must brace for more dust, diversions and delays though. The BMC does promise a pothole-free Mumbai by December 2026. But given the civic administration's track record, the promise might need to be taken with a pinch of salt.